Looking for a family hatchback with a sporty edge? Well, meet the 2025 Skoda Scala Monte Carlo. Starting at 30,605 pounds, this range-topping Scala aims to blend practicality with performance. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First impressions count, and the Monte Carlo certainly makes a statement. Black finish on the grille, mirrors, and badges gives it a stealthy look, while those matrix LED headlights and 18-inch alloys add plenty of curb appeal. That panoramic glass roof? Standard equipment, and it really transforms the cabin atmosphere. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 148 brake horsepower. 0 to 62 takes 8.2 seconds. Not exactly hot hatch territory, but peppy enough for most drivers. The 7-speed DSG gearbox is mostly smooth once you're moving, though it can be a bit hesitant in stop-start traffic. Take it through some corners, and you'll find the Scala Monte Carlo strikes a nice balance. The steering is direct and precise, while the adaptive sport suspension keeps things controlled without being too harsh. Sure, a Ford Focus might be more fun on a back road, but for everyday driving, this Skoda hits a sweet spot. Inside, you're greeted by sporty seats with red accents and a 10.25-inch digital cockpit that looks fantastic. The 9.2-inch touchscreen handles infotainment duties well, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. The 10-speaker sound system is a nice touch too, though we do wish they'd included wireless charging. Bit of an odd omission in 2025. Now here's where things get really interesting. Space. Pop open the boot, and you're greeted with 467 liters of cargo space. That's not just good, it's class-leading. For context, it absolutely demolishes the Volkswagen Golf and Toyota Corolla. Rear passenger space is equally impressive. Even 6-footers can stretch out back there. Let's talk daily living. The Scala Monte Carlo is comfortable enough for the school run or commute, though those 18-inch wheels mean you'll feel the occasional pothole. Fuel economy is strong, and visibility is excellent thanks to large windows and standard parking cameras. Those matrix LED headlights are brilliant at night, automatically avoiding dazzling other drivers. But here's the thing about the Monte Carlo trim. It pushes the Scala into interesting territory price-wise. At 30,000 pounds plus, you're knocking on the door of some serious competition. The standard Scala is all about value for money, but this range topper asks you to pay a premium for its sporty credentials. So what's the verdict? The Scala Monte Carlo is a bit of a mixed bag. It's extremely practical, well-equipped, and comfortable enough for daily use. The sporty touches look great, and it's decent to drive. But it's not quite the full hot hatch experience some might expect from the badge and price tag. If you want a practical family car that stands out from the crowd, the Monte Carlo makes a strong case for itself. Just remember, you're paying for style and equipment here, not outright performance. For many buyers, that'll be exactly what they're looking for. That's it for our review of the 2025 Skoda Scala Monte Carlo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.